Niacinamide family, welcome back to another one. Today on Skin Science 101, the series I recently started, and we will be talking about ingredients one after the other. This series was inspired because of the love my subscribers have been giving me so far, especially for the questions they've been bombarding my emails with, and I appreciate them once again from the depth of my heart. Now, listen up. We will be on this series. I will be targeting one ingredient at a time. Now, from SPFs to serums and all that, the ingredients you can find and what this ingredient specifically can do for you. This is what this series is all about. Welcome to Skin Science 101 with your baby girl Nichi Chamela. All right, now, what is niacinamide and how can niacinamide help you target those things that you really want to clear off? And why would you, what does it do? Now stick around, because in this video I am talking about every single thing concerning niacinamide. All right, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. I love you as always. Okay, so we all know that there are different vitamins for every skincare concern. Whether you're trying to brighten your skin, you're trying to enhance it, improve the elasticity, help with the collagen, whatever, there is a vitamin for that. Believe me. Now let's talk about niacinamide, popularly called vitamin B3. What is niacinamide? Now, vitamin B3, known as niacinamide, is a water-soluble vitamin that works with your skin to help visibly minimize pores and improve your skin tone. Yes, that is what exactly niacinamide is all about. Now, how does it work? How long does it take for you to see any result on your skin? Now, after you've applied niacinamide on your skin, it is broken down into a form of vitamin that your skin can absorb, that your skin cells can use, such as the coenzyme nicotinamide adenine nucleotide. Yes. So now, what are the benefits of niacinamide? Niacinamide prevents oil from clogging up the skin. You know, when you use makeup and all those greasy stuff, niacinamide is one good vitamin that would help prevent your pores from clogging up and thereby preventing pimples from occurring on your face or breakouts. It also helps renew the skin surface against moisture loss. Apart from hyaluronic acid that draws in moisture, niacinamide is also another thing that has love for your skin's moisture. So it helps renew your skin surface against moisture loss. So in other words, when you're on niacinamide, water loss is prevented. So it helps make sure that your skin doesn't lose so much moisture. Another important benefit of niacinamide is that it brightens your skin. Now, a lot of us do not know this. Yes, I'm saying it because I've observed that when people go to their skincare supply store, they do not read the product list on their label. They don't. So niacinamide helps brighten your skin. In case you're looking for another alternative of hydroquinone and you want to go natural, you don't want to use something that is very harsh, niacinamide is going to help you achieve that. Okay, by doing that, it helps reduce discoloration, it helps reduce dark spots and all that. How to use niacinamide? Now, a lot of people do not know how to use niacinamide. Honestly, a lot. Do you know how many Google searches are on niacinamide? Go and check it. You will know, you'll find out that a lot of people do not understand all these things. That is why I'm making this video, especially for my beautiful subscribers. Now, you can use niacinamide morning and night. And then it is also compatible with other skincare ingredients such as licorice extract, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, certain AHAs and BHAs, certain, not all AHAs and BHAs, some of them. Okay? Now, when you're on niacinamide, you should also make sure that you are using your SPF, your sun protection factor. I am going to say that again, at least SPF 30 or SPF 50. How long does it take for you to see results if you're on niacinamide? It takes 2 to 4 weeks for you to see results. Now, there are amazing niacinamide products, such as one from the Paula's Choice, the niacinamide booster 10%, Paula's Choice clinical treatment niacinamide 20%, but I suggest you start slow, especially if you don't know the tolerance level of niacinamide on your skin. Usually it has little or no side effects, but for somebody that is starting a particular new ingredient on the skin, I suggest you try out lower percentages, lower amounts, probably if you can find 5%, and then work your way up. Beautiful. However, if you're so sure that your skin has strong tolerance when you're starting out new products, you can go for 10%. Okay, make sure you consult your dermatologist after all the research, videos like mine and more, for one-on-one consultation and recommendations. Okay, my video is only for informational purposes. Disclaimer: this video is not for you to use and treat, it is just to give you an insight. All right, I love you. See you in another video. Stay blessed. Don't forget that God loves you. Besides, there are many niacinamide products. I'm going to leave some of them on the description box. Some of them that I suggest, that I feel are worth it, worth your coins. Yes, I'll see you in another one. And stay tuned for Skin Science 101. Our next series will be on azelaic acid. I'm going to tell you all about that. So God loves you more than I do. Catch you in another one. Bye.